Okay guys, I'm going for the taste. Okay guys, so I'm going to Trader Joe's, but it's so packed. I mean, there's traffic. It's ridiculous. It's like everybody wants to go to Trader Joe's. So I'm just going to go to Whole Foods because it's like... Okay guys, so here I am looking for the spices. I'm looking for Creole seasoning. I'm looking for lemon pepper and all the other seasonings. So this is interesting. The last time I got roses from here, they were really nice and big, but this is small. Okay guys, so this is the stuff that I got from the store. I went to Public as well. I bought some avocado, heavy cream, grits, some grits. I got myself some kombucha, and then I got spices for my shrimp and grits dish. That's what they said I needed all this. I got some onions, and I also got some spring onions or green onions or shallots, as they call them here. And then I also got some whole grain bread for the boys for school for sandwiches. Either they can have peanut butter and jelly, or they can have turkey sandwiches. I got some cheese for their sandwiches. I got some Mexican cheese for taco night, and I got some Parmesan cheese for the shrimp and grits. Yeah guys, so I'm going to start cooking, and then I'll put my flowers, my tulips in the vase so that they can start getting hydrated. And yeah guys, so let's get cooking. Okay guys, so right now I'm just going to start peeling the shrimps. I need a bag. Okay guys, so as I'm doing this, I was going to talk about where I am with my health guys. I am struggling with losing weight. I am struggling staying faithful on my program. I've been doing my juicing now continuously. Like I would start today, like I would have a good morning, and then in the evenings I'll end up eating. So it's like every day I'm just starting over. I'm starting over and over. So not much progress there, but tomorrow I'm starting over. Tomorrow I'm starting over, and then I'll try and do maybe 5 days, and then update you guys, and then do another 5 days, because I'm telling you guys, trying to lose weight is really hard, and I am struggling. But okay guys, so my shrimps are ready. I'm going to start seasoning them. You can come through, babe. Okay guys, so I forgot to video when I was mixing, but thank God I need more seasoning in here. So yeah, annoying, but let's see, we need some more cayenne. It's going to be a bit spicy. Just a little, just a little. Which one is this? Garlic powder. I was going to put fresh garlic, but I'm not, so I'll put a bit more. I missed the part. Already unseasoned. Okay guys, so now I'm going to start sauteing my bacon for my grits. So my stove gets really hot, and yeah. So these are the grits that I'm using. I think there's only one brand of grits that you can use. And how do you open this? So usually what I've noticed with some people, they added heavy cream to their grits, and some of the other people, they added like chicken broth. But for me, I'm going to try and make the grits healthy. So I'm just going to cook them with water, and then I'll put butter. Those are the only ingredients I'm going to put in my grits, because I'll have the other extra stuff. So I'm improvising. So that's a half a cup of grits. Okay. Okay, that means it's hot. Using the same oil they said use for the shrimp. So these are the, look, ooh, they look good. Okay guys, so when it comes to my channel, I'm trying to start doing more like weekly vlogs and vlogs, you know, like to show you guys like my day, what I do in a day. I'm a stay-at-home mom, as you guys know, and I'm going to soon start my school. So I'll be a stay-at-home mom slash student, you know. So I would like to show you guys how it is to stay at home and be a stay-at-home mom with kids, you know, and trying to take care of yourself, you know, trying to put yourself first. As you all know, when you're a mom, usually put yourself second, you know. So I'm trying to get myself in shape. I'll bring you guys on my health journey. I'll start doing weekly vlogs so that you guys can see me work out, what I'm eating, and I'm hoping that will help me stay consistent, and it might also encourage someone, because I just feel like being a stay-at-home mom and taking care of kids, and you have all these other stuff that comes with it, it's a lot, guys. And I rarely see that on YouTube, and I think that's something that I can bring to the platform, that other moms can relate. How you're trying, as a mom, you're trying to look your best, you're trying to glow up, but then you also have to take care of other people. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to bring, guys. And I hope you guys love the vlogs. I'll start next week. I'll start doing the vlogs. I'm already currently working out. I'm doing the work. I'm doing the prep. And I'm in my week 3, which I'm excited about. I wanted to show you guys when I started working out, but I wanted to know that I was going to commit to it and just bringing you guys how it works. So I know I'm going to commit with it because I've gotten into a routine. So my shrimps are ready, because we don't want them to get too rubbery. Okay, so yeah guys, so I'm going to show you, see me struggling trying to lift weights, trying to do all the above. Okay guys, the shrimps are done. Ooh baby, ooh, look at that. That's good. And this is what I'm using. now that I have this heavy cream going, I think I might have to put more. I'm going to try and season it. I'll taste how it tastes, and then I'm going to start making my grits so that they are warm. And I have like here, which one is it? I want to start that one. This one. We do the middle. Let's get it hot first. Hot and bothered. Ooh, this is fast. We need some salt. Mm. Mm. Okay guys, so now my grits are almost done. So I'm going to add butter to it, and then I need to add cheese to my heavy cream. And the reason why I didn't add it right away is because I know if I did, everything was going to get cold, because you know how the grits are. Okay guys, so now my grits are done, and I'm going to add butter to these grits. I'm not adding any cheese to them because I'm still trying to give it a healthy twist. I'll put like this much in there. Oh, na, na, na. Okay, let's mix that butter. That's a lot of butter. This is the sauce. Look at that. Okay guys, so these are my grits. They're done. It looks so delicious. I'm so excited. My family will be excited to try out my new recipe. Let me try some. Hold on. Okay guys, I'm going for the taste. Oh, look at that. Oh snap. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's delicious, babe. It is to die for. You be the judge? Honest opinion.
It's good, man.
It's good? Okay.
Delicious.
Delicious? Okay, Sammy, you're missing out. What do you think, buddy?
Awesome.
Okay guys, so as you've heard, my family has approved of these grits. They're delicious. Oh my god, they actually taste like you're at the restaurant. I'm so happy. I'm proud of myself. And oh my god. This is why I'm failing to lose weight. The shrimps are nice and juicy, flavorful. Guys, this is, look at that. Cooked by me. This is delicious, guys. I'm so happy. I have a new recipe for the grits, so I'll be making that. I don't have to go to a restaurant to go and buy my grits, so I'm excited about that, guys. Okay guys, so these are tulips and they still need to blossom, so they will blossom like in like maybe 2 days. And yeah guys, they look really nice, and this is where I usually keep them. Guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.